Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Juvia's Place lip glosses. And these are 5 lip glosses. They have 2 more lip glosses. They're a shimmer. I didn't get them only because I have some shimmer lip glosses that look like that, and shimmer lip glosses don't really look good on me. This is going to be a real quick review. I'm going to just do a try on. If you're new to my channel, I don't like doing long videos. I'm pregnant, so I get winded very quickly. So I'm gonna make this very quick. So these are the 4 colored matte lip glosses, and there you can buy them in a bundle. These are $45 for 4 of them. If you just want to get one of them, they're $13 each. So for this clear one, I paid $13 for this one. And then they have a bundle where you can get the clear and the 2 shimmers for $35. So I was trying to see how big they were, because I thought that they were the size of their concealer tubes, but they're not. They're like smaller. They're like regular lipsticks. I thought that they were the size of their concealer. So if you have their concealer that looks like this, is smaller. I thought I was gonna get lip gloss this big for $13. This is what it looked like when you take it out the box. The packaging is really cute. I really like the packaging. Tribal at the tip of it. And it has Juvia's Place. I like the packaging. I'm just gonna put on lip liner for these. So I'm gonna put on Caramel Rose. This is one of their darkest out of the lip gloss shades. This is Caramel Rose. It's a real muted lip gloss. And their lip glosses aren't, they're not like a irritatingly sticky. And they smell good. So that's Caramel Rose. So this next one is their lighter one. Their lightest one actually is this one. It's called Barely There. Yeah, this is cute. I like this. This is cute. The next one I'm doing is called Sis. And it looks like this on the box. This color. So this is Sis. They weren't kidding. These are like really like neutral lip glosses. If you're looking for like a pop of color, ain't in these. They're very neutral, which is a good thing though. Like if you my eyes are pretty neutral right now, but I do a lot of like popping eyeshadows and stuff like that. So these lip glosses are like perfect for me because it won't take the attention away from my eye makeup. Again, all of them smell like really good. Especially Barely There. Barely There smelled like cake. This one is called Kiss Me. And the box looks like this. This is Kiss Me. I think this one. Between Barely There and Kiss Me, these are my 2 favorite. This one, yeah, I'll be using this one a lot. This is cute. That's real cute. Definitely probably my favorite one. I like the mauve pink tone that it gives to it. This is a hit for me. I'm gonna put a little bit more on. These for $13 each. The clear one, no. Like, I'm not gonna buy this clear one for $13 because this is very similar, if not the same thing, as the NYX Lingerie lip gloss, which is $7, or Beauty Supply lip gloss, that's $2. But I understand Juvia's Place probably wanted to just come out with a clear for people who don't want to do these color ones. Sis and Caramel Rose, I didn't really like that, but that's just me. I probably won't be buying these again for $13. Yeah, they weren't really a hit for me. But Barely There, and especially Kiss Me, the one that I have on right now, Yeah, I'll be back for her. Again, I'm probably not gonna pay $13 for it. I'm gonna wait till it go on sale. Like, I'll pay $7 for it, most $8, but I'm not paying $13 for this. The only reason why I say that is just it's stuff that's cheaper that you can get these for, but I haven't seen anybody with this low of a price point that has the pigment of Kiss Me. Like even my Smashbox one, probably the pigment don't even compare to this. I really like this pink one. It suits me, like this Kiss Me suits me very well. So I will be buying this again from Juvia's place. These took about 2 weeks to get to me, but I got them when they came out. So that's probably, like I got them the day they came out. So that I probably was like in the order with like everybody else that got their orders and stuff like that. So maybe if you order now, you'll get yours faster than mine, but thank you for watching my video. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I upload 2 to 3 times a week. I try to keep my videos very short and sweet, but like still informational. I don't like uploading long videos. I'm not that person. Especially with me being pregnant, I'm very winded half the time, or all the time. But thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.